Hi guys, this is ExcelGuru Rajinikanth. Here I'm going to share a solution which is asked in group by our friend. So here I'm sharing the screen. Before going to share the solution, I will show you the output so that you can able to understand perfectly. So the query is to do sum of last five. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I enter last three, 1, 2, 3, means it should get answer only 7. Okay. It should not add this one. The blank should remove. Okay. Keep the concept first of all. See, if I change 5 to suppose 3, 3 means the total answer is 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3. See the magic, right? If I enter any value here, suppose 2, not 2, 4. Okay, 4. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, right? Let's check it out. Right. If I am adding, then also it is picking only 3. If I am not adding any other numbers, then also it is picking only 3. So here is the solution which I am going to share. First of all, what you need, you have to remove the blanks. We don't want blanks. So what I'll do here, I select the range and I don't want blanks. This is the first criteria. Okay. Wherever it finds the numbers, it will show. Wherever it finds the blanks, it will remove the blanks. It will show you the false. F9. Wherever the numbers are there, they are true and others are false. So what I'll do, if is not equal to blank, then pick up the row. Okay, pick up the row. Okay, close parenthesis, and we doesn't want false. Okay, F9. See. Wherever it finds the numbers, it is pick up in the corresponding row number, that is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, blank is there, so it is showing the false. 7, 8, 9. Again, blank is there, it is showing false. Okay. Now, what I'll do here, I'll use one function that is large. Large, if this is not equal to blank, row, comma, what you need now, what will be the k value? K value means which largest value do you need? First largest, second largest. If I type 2, F9, so it will pick up the second largest. But I need 3, 7, 8, 9. Like this, I need 7, 8, 9, or 8, 9, 8, 7. However it may be, you have to get last 3 rows without blanks. So what I'll do here, simply, for example, I'm showing 1, comma 2, comma 3, F9. But it's not dynamic. Okay, but it's not a dynamic. We have to make it dynamic. Whenever we change this criteria, it should reflect over in the formula and it has to pick up last 3 rows. So what I'll do, observe this 1, comma 2, comma 3. It's an array function. Okay, so what I'll do here, row of indirect start from 1 ampersand, and here I'll pick up this close parenthesis and come to the close parenthesis. Now the same output will be here, the k value, F9. Right. Now, see what I'll do now, check it out. It's very, very important, but it will not give the answer that 987. Okay, but we need the values from that particular row number, that is 987. You can keep it to 789, whatever it may be, but we need from bottom. Understood? 987. Okay, Control Z. I suspend the formula for a while and I will show you what it is actually. If I type 2 over there instead of 3, I'll make it 2. Okay. So it has to get 5 and 4. Understood? 5 and 4 it has to get. I'm removing this one. F9. This one. 9 and 5 and 4. 9 and 8. See how I'll do now. See. What I'll do here, I use one function that is address. Address of, this is the row number. Okay. Just check it out. Guys, sorry for mistake. Sorry for inconvenience. And here is the row number. Okay, here is the row numbers, what we need. And now we need the column, comma, any column that should be A2. Simply I kept A2. Okay, close parenthesis. I doesn't need any all those things. Just I want to get a cell numbers from there. F9. See, A9, A8, A9, A8. Now we have to get those values from the corresponding or not corresponding from the cell address. That is by using indirect it will work. Indirect close parenthesis. It's an array function. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. Right. For Excel 2010. And after 2010, you can use Enter. I'm using Excel 365. Okay, guys. Now, F9, 4 and 5. Now, simply use sum product or sum product. Always I'll use sum product. Enter. What happened here? Array 1, it has to work. 4 and 5. Why it's not working? Array 2. You don't want array 2. F2. Either I have, if I use Control 6 enter 0. What happened? Everything is perfect. If I use sum, what will happen? Let me check. 9. Sum is working, but sum product is not working over there. For sum, you have to use Control Shift and Enter. If I enter 1, it should pick up only the 4 from A9 cell. If I enter a 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay, totally 5 are there. I'm getting the values from the cell 9, 10, 11, 13. Let me check over here and here. Okay, guys. I don't know why the sum product is not working, but some will work over here. So pick up this sum and Control Shift and Enter you have to use if you are using Excel 2010. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.